When you're on a trip and you need a spot for your beverage, GPS, or mobile device, Kuryakyn has developed handlebar accessories to cover your particular needs. Hi, I'm Matt from Kuryakyn. Today we're going to be looking at drink holders, mobile device holders, and the electrical power point. This is the universal drink holder with basket. It's large enough to hold most bottles, has rubber stabilizers to keep your beverage from rattling around or bouncing out, and has a cutout to accommodate mugs with handles. This is the universal drink holder that comes with Kuryakyn's stainless steel mug. It has a foam insert to secure your mug and easily installs on all bikes. The leather pouch can be purchased separately, and with 3 quick and easy snaps, it can be installed on the ring of the universal drink holder. These are the Kuryakyn accessory pouches. They come in both small and large to accommodate any size mobile device that you might have. This is the new universal Gadget pouch. It has the ability to accommodate almost any size GPS, cell phone, or iPod, and can be mounted to the handlebars in seconds without any tools. It includes a foam insert to accommodate small mobile devices. This is the electrical power point, perfect for plugging in your cell phone, iPod, GPS, air pump, or any other electrical device taken on the road. This power point will keep them charged. These are just a few accessories that'll make your ride a little bit more comfortable. Thanks for checking in. We'll see you again soon.